Haka juk baka jingkerni mobile kala jur hado katata tangi kimi kikpa Henry ru wat ki khon kikti badangret kumju na kalyang Professor Shalini Lehetkar kanai kai bakpau na bha na ka Department Library and Information Science Harashtra San Tukaduji Maharaj Nagpur University kala kintu iki kimi kikpa bakin persang no ban pensyang that ya ka mobile kat san minute man ka sngi ya kanie lakran kum kanong kran bakerpang haka workshop kabla long ha Sosotham Auditorium Shillong halor kapang habit of reading as a tool for social development and economic upliftment ya kabala pelong da katanan arts and culture jaka sarkar jilla ringkat ke National Mission on Libraries scheme haka joka porpan kalau ong bahaki ni ki kat san minute ki kemi ki pa ki day ban shimno da ki kot ban pulie bat da ka bale kumni klempot na ka benta ako isngi ki khon ken sa pertho lang bat ka ni kan yaram ban penrong ya ka mensim sngotanat pulie kan habaro ki khon shwa kani nakaliang menteri katanat arts and culture ka sarkar jalaba sanbor shulai habakran kumukong san uloong baka jing sngotanat ban pulie ki kot bakhoi compare lada day na kanu kanyam ka day si benta ban penrong ya ki khon ya ka jing sngotanat ban pulie kan uloong ru baka long ka bakong san ya ki kena bakin sngoto baka pulie puthi ka day si benta jo ka jing jongki bat ka jingla jongki ban le pha ha ki jing pulie ru ka day ka jingkar khu ya ka jing jongki hi la yo ru ya ka jingkran na ka director katanat kong yada majau bat la pinpho ya ka program de ki jingrai bat ka jingshim benta shitraham ki kana school bat ki noi kai na ki school ba pher
The parents are also sitting here, so I request all the parents, instead of taking the mobile in the dining table or in the hall or watching TV, then please read the books for 15 minutes. Student will observe, means our child will observe that one. If parents are reading, then child will automatically reads the books. So 15 minutes is sufficient to make a reading culture at our home. So from parent side, from children side, from librarian side also we have to think, and that PPT I will take it in depth so that we will understand. Then holding a story sessions in the libraries, that will be more attractive. Abode of clouds and hills, I am overwhelmed to see the land of full of warmth, culture and the story. I think Meghalaya and all the related states are very much give the stories, different kinds of stories, and that stories will teach us how to develop ourselves by the way of reading and by way of culture. So thank you Department of Arts and Culture for organizing such a workshop, and that will be apt in today's society, because I could see the students, from the student life only we can imbibe the reading culture. Otherwise it may be difficult, because once the children are there, it will be easy to get them in the particular culture, that may be our culture, our religion, our whatever culture we have, or otherwise it may be the reading. So it is a good time. Madam has taken the initiative. I congratulate the Department of Art and Culture. They have invited all the children, school children especially, so that our job will be easy. Once we get habituated to read the books, then only I think it is a life skill. Every time it will be useful for all of us. So reading is not just the classroom habit, it is the foundation of enlightened society. And ultimately, we have to survive, we have to give our best in the society, whatever we are doing. It may be our teaching, it may be the politician, it may be the social worker. We have to work for the society. So the power of reading will, I think, it will be think to imagine and to empathize. Reading society became ultimately thinking society, and once we think about the society, we becomes to think about the progressive nation.
As you have also informed that the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, they have extended financial assistance of rupees more than 3 crores for our Shillong library, and also about 87 lakh for the Tura library. So I would like also to request you, before I deliver my short speech, that with no doubt, with the support of our government in Delhi, jointly we will meet in Delhi to meet our culture minister, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Thank you, Srimati Kong Aimajal, MCS Director, Art and Culture. Again, Professor Shalini Lehetkar, Department of Library, Information, Science, Rashtrasan Tukadoji, Maharaj Nagpur University, resource person for this workshop, Shri Dipajan Chatterjee, who is from Calcutta. Reading, I would like to share with you, because I'm not a politician actually, I'm a social worker. So I'm very happy to share my few moments with you. I don't have time to read books sometimes, but I used to have an ample time when I travel outside the state, my state, especially in the flight where I used to have 2, 3, 4 hours. So I have small holy books in my briefcase. So that is my time where I used to read the holy books. Be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, Gura Granth Sahib, Tripartite, or Kot Kentang Labuhui. It teaches the same thing. There is no difference. It teaches that all living thing in this earth, be it human being, be it animals, birds, insects, fish, all are being created by only one soul of God. That is the teachings of all the holy books. So I urge, besides other books which you used to read, don't forget to read also the teaching of all the holy books. That is my request to all our students present here, and including all our brothers and sisters present here. Public Library, Arsit Central Library Shillong, and District Library Tura. The amount sanctioned under this scheme is 3 crores, 10 lakhs. I am confident that this scheme will benefit the two libraries and its user, but by upgrading the infrastructure and modernization of services. To kickstart the project, the workshop is being organized as part of the component under the scheme, that is component F, procurement of reading resources, advocacy and outreach program.